Hi-ho there, Comedy Frog here, and I'm here to talk to you about
A cookie?
No, Cookie Monster's not a cookie.
Okay, bye-bye.
Anyways, I'm just going to tell you about
Cookie break! Oh, let me just move my cookies over here.
No, Cookie Monster, it's now time for the cookie break.
Oh, sorry, Kermit. You just stay right over here till the cookies come out.
I'm just going to talk about Elmo. Cookie Monster, I highly recommend you talk about cookies.
Well, me sorry, Kermit. Me just want to eat some cookies.
Okay, listen, Cookie Monster. I know you love cookies, but can you please stop interrupting me?
Oh, okay, Kermit.
Anyways, what I was trying to say is... What the world? Oh man, Sumter, coming out off the second. Let's take this anymore.